Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So yes, y'all, we are back at our weekly spot. We are back at Publix about to get into some super awesome grocery deals this week. So the first deal I did was a straight up experiment. Y'all know I love experimenting with stuff, testing stuff, and you'll only be able to do this deal this exact way if you still have these Unilever digitals available. So the 3 off of 10 and the 5 off of 15, that's an older digital that you must have already had clipped, plus these 3 different digitals that we have for Hellmann's mayonnaise. So I picked up 4 of these for $7.75 BOGO. That totals us up to $15.50. Then we have all of these digitals that are working for this deal. So 5 different coupons coming off. We have the 3 different coupons for the Hellmann's. Those take off $7. Then this 3 and this 5 threshold coupon are both also coming off. And those are taking off $8, you guys, making all 4 of these just 50 cents. And here is my receipt for when I tested that deal out. Let me zoom in. So there's my receipt for when I tested this deal. Now I added in a bag of chips. That was just an item that I added in because I was using 5 digital coupons. I wanted to make sure that I had at least 5 products, because if you have more coupons than you have products, then it's going to alert for somebody to come over and have to approve. So I added in those chips for $2, but as you can see, all of my digitals came off and I ended up paying $2.49, including the $2 chips, for the 4 Hellmann's mayo. And I've done a lot of different transactions today, testing out different variations of this Hellmann's deal to see what works out the best. If you live in half BOGO, 3 of them actually came out the best for me. So what you want to do is pick up 3 of the Hellmann's instead of 4 if you're in half BOGO. That'll be $11.62. The $3, the $2, and the $2 digitals, all 3 of those are coming off, along with the 3 off of 10 and the 5 off of 15. That is providing $3.37 in overage, and I did that on a transaction that I will show you later. So just keep that in mind. If you're in half BOGO, you don't need to pick up 4 like I did initially. Now, if you don't have your 5 off of 15 Unilever coupon, this is still a freebie, just picking up 2 of them with that 3 off of 10. So pick up 2 of the Hellmann's for $7.75. The $3 digital, the $2 digital, and the 3 off of 10 all come off on 2 of them, making the transaction free plus 25 cents in overage for 2 of the big jars. And I also want to address a comment that I get a lot of times, not just at Publix, but at different stores. So you could be shopping at CVS, Walgreens, wherever. So with a store like Publix, they are not giving out coupons that are really customized. Like CVS gives out those CVS CRTs that are customized by person or account. It doesn't really work like that at Publix. We are all getting the same digital coupons. If you do not have a digital coupon that I am showing in today's video or any video, that just means that you did not clip that digital coupon to your account when it was available. If you don't clip a digital coupon when it's available, it will go away after the time period. But if you have it clipped to your account, it will stay on your account until the coupon expires, which is sometimes a long time out. So sometimes the coupons can last, like there are coupons on our accounts right now that last until like April or May that we have clipped right now. So you have to go through your account each week and make sure that you're clipping your digital coupons so that you can do these deals. If you watched my Kroger video yesterday, you saw that I wanted to pick up these Cheerios minis at Kroger's because we have some really good Fetch Rewards offers, but I wasn't able to because they didn't have them in stock, but Publix has them in stock and they are on sale here. So I'm going to go ahead and grab them here. Now I'm going to pick up a total of 3 boxes. If you live in Florida, you want to pick up 4. But since I live in Georgia and these ring out half price, we're in half BOGO, I'm going to pick up 3 of these for buy one, get one free for $4.62. So each one of these boxes is going to be $2.31. So when we times that times 3, it's going to be $6.93 after our coupons. Now, if you have the digital coupons for $1 off of 2, you want to use those. Yesterday at Kroger, I actually got $1 coupons for these these products. So I'm going to use those three $1 coupons, and that's going to bring me down to $3.93. Then I'm going to submit over to Ibotta for $1. And I'm going to get back a couple different fetch offers. I have one that's going to give me $2.25 back. And then I have another one that's going to give me $1 back specifically for the Cheerios minis. That's going to make all three of these completely free after fetch. If you still have this, the Heinz products are finally on sale. So we're going to grab two of those. So I'm going to get two of these Dolly Parton cornbreads because I love these. I don't think I'm going to get any cake today, but you know what, I am going to get some brownies too. So with this Conagra coupon, what you want to do is make sure that you pick up $20 worth of products before the buy one, get one free sale. I have picked up a total of 5 items. Since I am in Half BOGO, I can buy them in an odd number. But if you're in Florida, you want to buy them in an even number. So my total for all 5 of these items before the buy one get one free sale is $20.05. Since the brownies are $3.99, the cornbread is $3.39, and the popcorn that I'm grabbing is $5.29. So that's $20.05. We're going to save half of that with the sale. That's going to bring it down to $10.02. Minus that $5 coupon, I'm going to pay $5.02 for all 5 items, or just $1 each. The Fresh Cravings hummus is on a really good deal this week. I really love the Fresh Cravings salsa, so I decided to try the hummus as well because I bet it is really good. So we're going to pick up 2 of these for $4.59, but we're going to get back a total of $3, $1.50 each back on Ibotta. Going to make our final cost just $1.59 for 2, or 80 cents each. Next item I'm grabbing is the Stacy's pita chips. So these are $5.19 BOGO. I have an older digital coupon for $1 off of 2. That'll bring us down to $4.19. And then I'm going to submit over to Fetch Rewards for 75 cents on each bag. Gonna make my final cost for these two just $2.69, or $1.34 per bag. This is a perfect item to grab in with the hummus. You can dip your chips in the hummus. I'm probably gonna come back for this deal on the Gordo's cheese dip because I really like this brand. These are buy one, get one free for $5.99. So you can pick up 2 of them, use 2 of the $1 coupons, the printable coupons that they have on their website. You will end up paying $1.99 each after that coupon. I'm not grabbing any Springer Mountain Farms chicken this week, but these are buy one, get one free for $9.99. Use the $1.50 printable coupon that you can get after you sign up on their website. That'll make your final cost for a bag of chicken. You can get wings or breasts, just $3.50 for the bag, which is a definite stock up price. Another great Super Bowl item to snack on is the Ritz crackers this week. If you still have your $1 off of 2 digital coupon, this is an older digital once again that you have to already have clipped. This will bring these 2 boxes down to $2.99, which will make them just $1.50 each. Allegra and the children's Allegra is either $11.99, or I'm going to have to grab the children's for $12.29. We have a $6 coupon in the extra savings flyer, and we also have a $5 digital that'll give you $11 in savings. We also have $4 back on Ibotta. So after just the store and the digital coupon, it's $129. With Ibotta, it could be a moneymaker. You do not need any Glad bags because I have a lot of these right now. But if you do, it's not a bad deal this week. These are buy one, get one free for $3.99. And then we have an offer on Fetch Rewards where you'll get $1.50 back when you buy $6 worth. So 2 boxes should be considered to be $6 worth. That'll leave you to pay $2.49 for 2 boxes, or $1.25 each. I'm not going to grab any of the super pretzels because I already grabbed some yesterday at Kroger, but they were actually a better deal if I had waited today to go to Publix. So these are buy one, get one free for $3.39, so that means they're $1.69 each. We have a $1 manufacturer coupon, and our inserts, I think it's the $1.28 save. And then we also have 35 cents back on Ibotta. That'll make these just 35 cents per box. I was going to grab 4 of these Clorox bleach, but since the price has gone up, I decided to go ahead and grab 2. too, but it's still a phenomenal price. So these are regular price $3.99 each now, so two of them will be $7.98. I do have $5.50 back on swag bucks. Once again, that deal has come back and reset. And I still have two of the $1 printable coupons. These are older printable coupons. And so that'll bring me down to pay just 48 cents. After we use the two coupons and get back the $5.50, it'll be 48 cents for 2 bottles of bleach. These Greenfield lunch kits are not tagged in my store, but they are buy one, get one free this week. And on Fetch Rewards, we have 85 cents back on each one of them. After the Fetch Rewards offer, these would be just 90 cents a piece. Next deal I'm grabbing is a deal using this 5 off of 20 Kraft coupon. If you did not use your digitals up grabbing the Ore-Ida French fries this week, you can use them to grab TGI Fridays products or Heinz ketchup this week using that coupon. So once again, I'm going to grab $20 worth before the sale. So I'm going to get one TGI Fridays product for $8.29, and then I have 2 ketchups that are $5.99. That totals up to $20.27 before the sale. We're going to pay half of that because of the buy one get one free sale, so I'll be at $10.13 at the register. Minus this $5 coupon, it's going to be $5.13 for all 3 items, or $1.71 each. And my friend Coupon with Tea sent me a link to $1 printable coupons for the Heinz ketchup. These are good, and they're supposed to be good in Florida, but I'm sure they'll work anywhere because they are manufacturer coupons. I will have them linked in the description box, but if you want to add 2 of these to this deal, that'll make it even better if these $1 printable coupons will work for you. The Health Aid Kombucha is a really nice deal, but it's a today only deal because the digital coupon that we have expires today 2/7. So I'm going to pick up a total of 2 of these for $3.99. After this 2 off of 2 digital coupon, I'll pay out $1.99, and then I'm going to submit over to Merrifield for $1. I'm going to get $1.42 back. It is going to make my final cost just 57 cents for 2 of these. Cabot block cheese is an amazing deal right now. So these are buy one, get one free, and they are priced at $3.61 at my store. Use the $1 off of 2 digital coupon, and then use 2 of the $1 coupons from the extra savings flyer. That makes my final cost for 2 blocks just 61 cents. And it's a little bit more if you get the ones that are priced at like 4 something, like the Gouda and things like that. But if you get the ones that are cheaper, like the sharp cheddar, just 61 cents for 2 of them. Definite stalker price. Next, I'm going to grab 2 cinnamon rolls. These are buy one, get one free, but I'm going to grab these so that I can get a total of $18 spent for General Mills products, so I can get back this $1.80. We also have $8 off of 2 digital coupon that I'm going to be using. So after that, I'll have $2.80 in savings on these 2, making it just $1 for both. So I split my shopping up into a couple different transactions since I was doing a lot of different testing situations to see what was working with that Hellmann's, but I will show you each cart individually so you can see what the total was for each one. So this is the first big transaction that I did. This went wonderfully. So after coupons for this transaction, I ended up paying out a total of $25.98. And then I did get back $5.09, I believe, from Fetch Rewards. I got back $4 from Ibotta. And that transaction cost me roughly about $15 and some change. And then I did another transaction that was very similar to the first one, but this one was just sized down just a little bit. And this one I also got the Allegra and the Clorox that we added in. So in that transaction, that was such a beautiful transaction. I only paid about $13 after my coupons. And then after I spent out that $13.71, you guys, I got back $5.50 from Swag Bucks. I got back $4 from Ibotta. I got back a total of $4.09 from Fetch Rewards, making my final cost for this cart just 16 cents, you guys. 16 cents for everything. I also did a little baby transaction with the Health Aid Kombucha and 2 of the Hellmann's. I was testing out to see how 2 of them worked in that transaction. I added a little bag of chips once again just to make sure that my total did not go into the negative, and I paid out 24 cents for that transaction, but I did get back $1.42 for the kombucha from Merrifield. Total for these 3 transactions that I did was $39.93. And then I got back a total of $24.10 between all of the rebate apps. That's Ibotta, Fetch Rewards, Swag Bucks, Merrifield. I got back $24.10 of that $39.93. It made my final cost for everything that I picked up today just $15.83. And I counted it up. I got about 42 items for that $15, which makes everything about 35 cents each, which I think is amazing for the products that we got. So let me know if you have any questions. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button if this video was helpful to you at all, and subscribe if you have not already. I would love to have you here. As always, you guys, I thank you so much for watching today's video, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.